Did you know pugs can fly? This isn't just any pug. Meet Captain Sniffles, the first pug in space. But how did he get here? It all started with a mysterious package. Inside was a spacesuit just his size. But that's not all. He was chosen for a special mission to save Earth from barking asteroids. His first night in space was magical, but then disaster struck. A meteor storm was on its way. Could he save the day? With a brave heart and quick paws, he dodged every asteroid. Earth was safe, thanks to him. Back on Earth, he was a hero, but his adventures were just beginning. What lies ahead for Captain Sniffles? Only time will tell.